Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today on our 06 Honda Element with our 2.4 liter, I'm going to show you how to install ignition coils. So if you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. You're going to take the cover off that covers the actual ignition coils and spark plugs. It's just a plastic cover with these 4 nuts on there, and these nuts are a 10mm socket. The whole stud's coming out. That's okay. Same with that one. Okay. There we go. So a quick note, you'll see that there's 2 bolts missing. Well, they're not actually missing. They are part of the cover. So these bolts are also bolts that go and hold the coils down. So that's why I expected the nuts to come off. So I'm going to put a 10mm wrench on that. It's cut out as a hex. I'm going to break free the actual nuts, and then I'll put the studs down in to mount the coils. We'll start with the first cylinder, cylinder 1. It's a 10mm socket, and just to dismount the mounting bolt. Discard that. Lift the coil up. So now I'm going to disconnect the coil connector. There's a black tab here. I'm going to push down on that, pull it, drop that, pull the coil out. So here we have our new ignition coil that we're installing from 1A Auto. It's exactly as the manufacturer's coil. It's got the same mount, comes with a new seal, same connector. As you can see, this is defective from the heat lines, and this plastic can break down and the spark will shoot out through the side here and cause a misfire. So we're going to install a new one so we can get rid of that misfire. If you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head over to 1aauto.com. I always like to apply a little bit of new dielectric grease, silicone paste. It just helps the gap, not the gap, but the friction on the spark plug. So I'm going to line that up, bring that down, find my ignition harness, line that up, click it in, and then drop that down in. I have my mounting bolt. Start that by hand. Just snug it up. I'm going to repeat that process to the other 3 cylinders. Now the mounting bolt for these 2 coils were missing in the beginning because the nuts were frozen on for the plastic cover, so we took them apart. I took a 10mm wrench and a 10mm socket, broke them free. Now I'm going to install these on the actual coils, then we can put the cover on. So I'm going to install the little plastic cover here. So those 2 front bolts are the coil hold down. So these are the nuts. And the actual back bolts, they're all one piece. And those go through the harness. There's an open casing in the harness. So you're holding down exactly the harness. This is just a cover, so you don't have to go crazy on the actual tightening. Just snug it down, let it just bottom out.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.